It's great when a team comes together to share ideas, but this often leads to a load of notes pinned to walls or on the floor. Drawing pins make holes, tape and blue tack leave marks. Time for a better solution. Meet FlexiSheet, the writable magnetic wallpaper. It can be cut to any size and stuck to any wall. The high ferrous content allows you to attach notes, memos and pictures with magnetic pins. You can write on FlexiSheet with whiteboard markers and easily wipe clean, so it's perfect for the office, the classroom or the home. You won't find another material with such high ferrous content for maximum magnetism. It's tested and approved to the highest UK fire safety standards, and it's made with 90% recycled material. For an instant quote, just measure your wall area and visit gmav.co.uk or call the sales team on 0161 850 9696.